Blayke, the question is, how tall are you?
I'm 5'6".
She's 5'6", just like her mama. Poor Gussie. What is Sissy doing to you? Putting on pink doggy shoes.
No, Gussie, no.
What do you think he's gonna do, Blayke?
I already put them on him before. He don't like them.
Then why are you putting on him again?
Because it's funny.
Gussie. Bo gets him next then.
Bo hates them. It's so funny though. Like they both they don't not like them. They just walk funny in them.
I know, it is hilarious. Yes, come here.
No, I have to put the other ones on.
Okay.
But there's only one more. And
Gussie, you ready?
Gussie, get up, Gus. Come on. Oh. Gussie. Gussie, you took them off.
Come here, Gussie.
They stay on Bo. He's fluffy. He's fluffy.
He took him off.
He has fluffy paws.
Put him on Bo. Bobo, want him? Bobo, you want some shoes? Want some shoes, Bo?
Bozy.
He's gonna be like, no.
Look, Bo. Put them on him before. He says
Bo's
no.
already trying to bite him off. Make them tight enough so they stay.
I can't get like their full paws. You're so pretty.
Oh, it's like a rubber boot.
It's for going to play outside. Right, Bozy. So
Could you imagine if I put these on every day? Give me your other foot. Put your shoe on, Bo. It's like, what the heck is this? The girls brought the big,
No.
what is this thing called? Couch pillow thing? This big old gray thing downstairs on Friday, and it kind of is the best spot in the house right now.
It don't hurt you. You're okay.
Okay, just put the two on. Now pick him up. See what he does.
I can't get
He's gonna walk like this.
I have a video of him walking and then we're
Go get a treat.
Come on. Oh.
Let me do it this way. Hang on. Oh.
Yep.
Busby, come here. Bo,
Bobo, come eat. Come eat. Come on. Go eat.
come go outside.
Come on.
No, this way. Oh, hey, Bo. You walk. Wait. Oh. Bo, you walk good with them. Come here. Come here, Bobo. Gussie says, wait, I thought I was your dog. Come here, Bo.
Wait, come on.
Bo, come on. Come on. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Come here, Bobo. Come here. He's actually not doing bad on it. Hey, that is my spot. Oh, that's the good spot. I'm gonna see. Oh.